Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix slow alt tabbing when you alt tab. When you alt tab you get a black screen delay from 2 to 3 seconds. It's quite easy, so let me show how. What you need to do here, you just need to go to display settings. On display settings, scroll all the way down until you see advanced display here. Then look for your monitor refresh rate. So for me, as you can see here, if I look for refresh rate here on my monitor, it says, as you can see here, to 40 Hertz, right? So what you need to do here, you just need to make sure to select the highest available refresh rate on this list here, and then make sure the right monitor is selected if you're using dual monitors. And then once you select the highest refresh rate, you can go to show more options, NVIDIA control panel, go to change resolution here, and also refresh rate should be also the highest on here. And then you should not be getting a delay or slow alt tabbing. So if I help you out, please press like button.